Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'll show you two different ways to do that. You can block a number which is currently saved on your contacts, or you can block a number which you can enter manually, which is not saved. So let me show you the first way. Let's start with the contacts. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got block numbers, so let's tap, and your device of course will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. You can decide if you want to report it as a spam. It's up to you, and simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon. It is notified that this number is blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way is by using the settings, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers option, so let's tap. And as you can see, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from the contacts. So the previous way also works. And as I said, here you will be able to add a number manually, So after tapping on this option, you can simply enter the number here. You can, as you can see, also choose a contact, so you can be transferred to the contacts. However, in this option, it is a little bit different, because here I believe you can, or you cannot. Actually, you cannot, because I thought that but maybe you will be able to mark a lot of contacts, but it is not different. So you can also block a contact by using this section. Whatever. What I wanted to say is that you can enter the number here, or you can paste it and tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which again means that you will no longer receive the calls and messages. Here we've got also an additional option, unknown, which after activating will allow your device to block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful, but not always. You can turn it off the same way, and if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button and confirm it. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your ZTE AXON 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.